guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Gracious, and I'm doing a little unboxing YouTube gift box. We did a creator 360 and there was a breakout session and I won something. Not everyone won this, but I was one of the people that won something, and I am so happy for myself. So they sent me a gift box. It took long for this to come because they had to customize a hoodie. So let's unbox it and see how beautiful this is. Okay, first of all, I saw a note here, Creator 360. Hey Creator, thank you for joining Creator 360 Africa. We hope you found the day inspiring and informative and hopefully made some new connections. Huge congratulations on being one of our breakout winners. Your contribution to the breakout session was amazing. We know that other creators will have been inspired by you, and we are delighted to enclose your goodies. Same YouTube. Oh, I just love the color, YouTube color. I'm seeing my name engraved behind. This is the name for my main channel, Gracious Chioma, where I have more than 151,000 subscribers as of making this video. And it has this YouTube logo in front. Let me rock this. I love this, and this outfit is nice already. Like, believe you me, I can rock this outfit to just go out, like to hang out, like I don't care. And then I'm going to use the opportunity to advertise my brand, YouTube, and then Gracious Chioma behind. Because if someone sees you wearing something like this, they'll keep wondering YouTube, and then your name at the back. Like, how did you get this? There's still a few things in the box. I'm not feeling too fine, and this is late night, like around past 9 p.m. So I'm trying to like do justice to this and go to bed. Like, I'm feeling sick. I've not been able to eat anything since morning. You guys, I need your prayers. This is another thing I'm seeing, YouTube. I think this is a neck hook for ID card, I guess. Maybe if I can do ID card and I'll show that I'm a YouTuber, I can wear this around my neck. The next thing I'm seeing is a cap, YouTube cap, and it has YouTube 360, YouTube Africa 360 inside, and there is no back. You can use here as the front, which will show YouTube. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I've never owned a cap like this one, and I'm so delighted. I'm so happy. This is something I'm definitely going to be going out with. Then you can still turn it the other way around and still rock it. If you don't want to show people, oh YouTube, this is so beautiful. I love this. YouTube, thank you so much for this, and it fits my head perfectly. The last but not the least in the box is ocean bottle, obsidian black. How it works: enjoy your award-winning ocean bottle and wave goodbye to single-use plastic for the ocean. Keeps drinks hot or cold. Small bottle, big impact. This is the bottle that has stopped 1,000 plastic bottles from entering the ocean. Open here. Okay, I figured this water bottle. I love the packaging. Like, you just package it as if I placed an order and they want to please you with their package. The packaging is so beautiful. Oh my god, this is beautiful. This is the second water bottle that I'm getting from YouTube. Ocean bottle. This is, oh my god, this is so solid. I figured that it has to, oh my god, this can retain hotness and cold. So with all my herbal teas that I make on my main channel, I'm going to be storing them up here. Yes, you don't need to worry about whether being hot or retaining cold. And this is another way you can open it up. So maybe when you want to pour stuff, you open this one, pour it. When you want to drink it, you just open this one and sip from here. I love this, and this is, oh, this is beautiful. Even the color black, I love this so much. Thank you so much, YouTube. I really appreciate these gifts. This is all that it is. This is everything that is in the box. It's a mini unboxing. Guys, I'm so weak. I'm so weak. I feel so tired. God, maybe I should just eat something and take my drugs. And I just feel like I'm strong, but I know inside me that I'm not strong. I haven't lost my voice. Okay guys, I hope you had fun unboxing the YouTube gift box with me. If you have any question, especially relating to maybe how to grow a YouTube channel, fashion, beauty stuff, relationship related stuff, health related stuff, you can send me an email Follow me on all my social media handles: Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat at Gracious Chioma _. If you have any question, you can send me an email. You can leave a comment down there below in the comment section, and I'm going to reply to all your comments. I am very good with replying comments, even if it's 1,000 comments. I'm going to reply to every single one of them. So feel free to leave a comment down there below in the comment section, and I'm going to reply your comment. This is my third channel, okay? So the name you see here, Gracious Chioma, is my main channel. I have a second channel where I have almost 16,000 subscribers, relationship channel, as of the time of making this video. This is my third channel. This one is still a green one, and I love lifestyle.